Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here, for listening. My name is Hisham Omri. I'm the Global Partnership Director at Samsung Group, a global leader in industrial automation and control solutions. It's a pleasure to join you here at the Manufacturing Digitalization Expo. Thank you. In Shanghai. Over the next few minutes, I'll share insights into how AI and predictive analytics are transforming industrial operations and how our solution, SamGuard, is helping leading manufacturers prevent failures, optimize performance, and accelerate digitalization. At Samsung Group, we bring over 100 years of experience in flow control, serving as a trusted partner in industries across more than 60 countries. Our reputation is built on German engineering excellence and a strong global presence. We specialize in smart valves and industrial automation, helping clients transition from reactive maintenance to predictive strategies. Our mission is simple: to help factories operate safer, smarter, and more efficiently every single day. The future of manufacturing belongs to those who can predict and prevent failures before they happen and before they become real problems. Relying on traditional reactive maintenance is no longer enough. It leads to unplanned downtime, wasted resources, and lost productivity. Digitalization changes the game. It enables real-time insights from data, smarter data-driven decisions, and faster responses and reduced operational risk. So I want everyone to know that AI is not magic, especially in relation to predictive analytics or predictive maintenance. AI is mathematics and pattern recognition. So AI at its core is learning from data to detect anomalies and predict risks before they become real problems. In the manufacturing world, this translates to less unplanned downtime, smarter maintenance decisions, and greater process stability. AI enables teams to act early, prevent failures, and run operations with a level of foresight that was never possible before. Before I move to the next slide, let me pause here. I want to show you the number. Take a second to think. What do you believe big manufacturers lose every year due to unplanned downtime, quality issues, and operational inefficiencies? Big manufacturers lose 1.4 trillion, which is 11% of their revenues every single year. And yes, it's a trillion with a capital T. It's not just a financial loss. It's lost productivity, lost market share, and lost customer trust. Now let's talk about smaller and medium-sized manufacturers, the lifeblood of many economies, including here in China. For them, unplanned downtime is not just a financial problem. It's an existential risk. We have seen cases where a single hour of downtime costs up to $150,000. And that's without even calculating the ripple effects.